This video is made available by the Allegheny College Computer Science Department under a Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial No Derivative Works version 3.0 license.
In the previous video, we provided an outline for the code in IntegerStack, but now we're going to start filling it in. We're going to start with isEmpty. Now, we went ahead and just said return true, but we know that our stack isn't always going to be empty, so we need some code here. Let's go ahead and create some space. And how do I know if my stack is empty? Oh, well actually, we can't write this. We don't even know how are we representing a stack? We have no idea. So what we really need is we need to figure out what kind of data structure we want to use. I'm going to use an array list. I didn't call it the stack. Right? This is encapsulation. I could use an array. I could use a lot of things. But in this, I'm going to use an array list. So we're going to go ahead and say the stack equals a new array list. Try compiling that. Oh yeah. Array lists need to be imported. So I need an import statement, and I happen to remember that one. It's Java util array list. Alright, now my code compiles, except I'm missing a return statement still because I'm not done with isEmpty. Now, how do I know if my stack is empty? Well, I can return true for the moment. Okay, good. That array list stuff was correct. That allocates. When in doubt, add a comment. Allocating a new empty array list for storing numbers. Now, if I'm going to use an array list to represent the stack, right, we're creating some methods that let us interact with this array list as if it was a stack, not a list. So what I clearly need to do is I need to go to the documentation. So I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side. Actually, I've already searched for it. So there's array list. So let's look at the array list documentation. Skim. Let's see. I'm looking for something about empty. I see the word empty. IsEmpty. There must be something in here about empty. There it is. The isEmpty method. It returns true if the list contains no elements. So my isEmpty method just needs to look at the stack, which is an array list, and return if it's empty. If the list that I'm using to represent the stack is empty, then it must be empty. And that is encapsulation. So if I create a new IntegerStack, okay, by default I have an empty list and Boolean is empty. Ooh, it's true, which is what I expected. Look at my documentation, and nothing's changed, because I haven't changed any of the comments. So that makes sense.